In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram Reels video in Canva. First, click this Create button on the left side of your screen. From here, go to the Social Media category, then click Instagram section, and choose this Instagram Reels template. Now let's add the video. You can do it by choosing a video from the Elements tab, or upload your own file from your computer. For this demonstration, I'm going to use these videos from Pixabay. To upload the video, just go to the Uploads tab, then click Upload Files. After that, choose the videos that you want to add, then click Open. Once the upload process is done, you can add the video by dragging it like this. Then adjust the position by double-click the video, and adjust the position like this. To add a caption, you can go to the Text tab on the left side of your screen and click this Add a Text Box button. Here you can adjust the size of the text and edit the text however you want. Then you can go to the top toolbar to change the font style, size, color, alignment, or even add some effects and animation. Next, if you want to add an audio, you can go to this audio part down here. Then you have a few options here, whether you want music from Canva, upload your own file, record a voiceover, or use AI generated voice. To keep the video engaging, you can add another video on the next page. To make the change between the clips look smooth, you can go between these two pages and click Add Transition. Here you can choose any transition that you want from these options. Once you're happy with the result, you can save it by going up to the top right and click the Share button. Then click Download and choose the file type as MP4 video. Then set the quality that you want, select the pages, and click this Download button. So that's how you can create an Instagram Reels video in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.